now I'm here again in the kitchen. I'm going to cook chicken butterfly. So let's watch it. And here are the ingredients. It's potato, grated onion, lemon juice, honey, olive oil, 7 spice, oregano, paprika, and it's garlic and ginger paste, and black pepper, and salt. This is salt. So I will put the chicken here. It's the chicken. See, I cut it and the stomach. So that's why I called it chicken butterfly. See, it's a chicken, but it's look like a butterfly. That's why I called it chicken butterfly in the oven. So I already put all the seasonings. Now I rub it into the chicken, all over the chicken, para mas malasa, manunuot yung sarap, yung lasa, manunuot hanggang sa buto-buto ng chicken. So this is it, and inside mas lalo siyang masarap pag minamarinate niyo siya ng isang buong gabi, tapos kinabukasan niyo na siya lulutuin. So now I will use this Pyrex. I will put the chicken like this. See, that's why it's chicken butterfly in the oven. And potato, this potato, I put it here and mix with the seasonings. Then I put it with the chicken. So this is it. So now cover natin siya ng aluminum foil. Saka natin ilagay sa oven. See, nakabalot na siya ng aluminum foil. Na ilalagay natin siya sa oven. Ilalagay natin siya sa oven. Mainit na siya. Mainit na siya. So, i-check natin siya after 45 minutes or 30 minutes. I-check natin siya. Tapos, wala na yung sauce niya. Wala na yung sabaw-sabaw. Kasi masabaw yun. May sabaw yan mamaya dahil sa potato. So, i-check natin siya after 30 minutes. So, now my chicken butterfly in the oven is ready. It's ready to eat. It's good with soy sauce with lemon. So yummy. Thank you for watching. See you again.